Today we'll be doing a 10-minute gentle Tai Chi-inspired walking workout to support balance, coordination, and healthy fat burning. Hi, I'm Emily, a registered nurse and a yoga teacher. Each move we'll be doing for 1 minute followed by 20 seconds of active recovery. You don't need any fancy equipment. All you need is a little space to move around. And when you're ready, let's get started. Our first move is a back step arm sweep. Stand tall with the feet hips-width apart. One arm reaching forward, the other relaxed back. Step leg behind the standing leg, lightly tapping the toe to the earth. Swing both arms fully in both directions while keeping your torso facing forward. Our next move is a butt kick with an arm swing. Lightly kick your heel towards your glutes. Let your arm swing naturally. Stay tall through your spine. Find an easy, relaxed movement. Moving into a chest and leg stretch. Open wide through the chest, reach long through your fingertips. Step gently side to side, finding a smooth, flowing movement. If you're enjoying this workout, be sure to join my free weekly newsletter, where I share simple health tips, motivation, and encouraging stories to help you stay consistent and connected in your wellness journey. Step wide and soften your knees. Gently shift your weight slowly side to side. Keep your chest lifted and sway the arms back and forth with a fluid, soft movement. Moving into high knees with a twist crunch. Lift the knee comfortably high. Gently twist through the waist. Move at your own pace and breathe naturally. Next move is a grapevine. Step side to side slowly. Cross your foot behind and step wide. Keep your hips facing forward and use your soft arms for balance. Step back softly with the toes and sweep the arms gently overhead. Move slow and in control, and stand tall through your spine throughout these moves. And here we are for 3, 2, and 1. Great job today. So excited for you. Don't skip the cool down. Inhale, lots of love in. Exhale, release the hands, lots of love out. One arm reaches to the sky and find a soft fold over. Release the shape and other side, reaching tall and finding a soft fold. Thank you so much for joining me today. Great job for sticking around to the end. And if you want to stay connected, be sure to sign up for my weekly newsletter where I share inspiring stories and tools to help you get started on your wellness journey. If you want to keep this momentum going, check out this video next, because when you pair with what we just did with this video, it's going to be way more powerful. I'll see you in the next video.